Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Do Not Disturb mode is useful, for example, if you want to mute the notifications on your watch. For example, if you're sleeping or maybe you're in the cinema or something like that, basically you don't want to be disturbed. You turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, it will mute the notifications, and once you're done, you can turn it off and then it will basically unmute the notifications for you. And to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, you need to open the Toolbox menu by pressing and holding the lower button. Then you need to find the Control Center option by scrolling through the menu. So you can scroll by swiping or by using the crown. Find this icon, Control Center, and tap on it. And here we have this icon with the human, I would say. And basically this is the mode icon, and by default the daily mode is enabled, but let's say you want to use the Do Not Disturb mode, you need to tap on this icon, then tap on it again, because first it will turn on the sleep mode, and to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode you need to tap on it again, and now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face you will also see the icon right here. For example, on different watch faces it might be somewhere else, but basically you will see the icon that indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable it, of course, you need to open the Toolbox menu, then tap on Control Center, and then tap on the mode icon to disable the mode. Like this. Once it's on daily, it means that the watch is in the normal mode, and then you can press button to go back. And as you can see, the icon from the watch face is also gone, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.